My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video is going to be a tutorial using the long-awaited, well, it hasn't been that long, but Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Ooh! As soon as I saw this palette, oh, there goes the brush. This just speaks to me. I am all about color, especially pink, girl. And I think this is going to be like my staple palette for the summer. Not to mention that I am going on a cruise around my birthday, so I was like, this is so cruise appropriate. And of course, the pink color, my favorite color, pink, is named Bahamas, and that is one of the places we are going. So I just got this today, and I was actually filming a review of the Jeffree Star Morphe brushes, and I'm like, I have to use it. So the next video I'm gonna be doing another tutorial with this palette, but I will do swatches with that video. But this is what I came up with. I just loved this like periwinkle shade on the lid, and with the pop of pink down below, I just thought was super cute. I am definitely going to be doing more tutorials with this palette. If there is any certain like type of look or vibe you would like to see using the Riviera palette, let me know down below in the comments, and I will definitely keep that in mind. But yeah, I am all about this palette and the bright colors, yes. So if you would like to see how I got this look right here, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright guys, well I will see you later, and let's get into the tutorial. Going in with the Riviera palette by Anastasia. First, I'm going to go in with ESTEE in a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. That's really pretty. It's a really pretty, like, light, I don't want to say peach. I mean, it's almost a peach, but it's almost like kind of a little light brownish too. It reminds me a little bit of like Makeup Geek Creme Brulee. I'm trying the JS5. Okay, so my SD card ended up being full and it stopped recording, but I used this to put Monte Carlo in the crease. I'm using the JS6. So I'm taking the same color, Monte Carlo, and I'm going to put this in the outer like third of my eye. I did it on this side, but I thought I was still filming then. And I'm also going to take some Coastline and blend it out with the JS5 just around the edges. Okay, so I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and put that on my lid. You guys know the drill. I finally got a brush to keep down here to put on my glitter glue. I got this like mini e.l.f. concealer brush. Morphe 421 flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to go in with Mediterranean. This really pretty, it's like a kind of a periwinkle. Oh my god, I can't even. That's so gorgeous. Oh, I have a feeling this is going to be like one of my new favorite Anastasia palettes. Oh my gosh. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. pencil brush and I'm going to go in with Palm, this dark brown right there, and put that in the outer third of the eye and just blend it in with that Mediterranean shade. I'm actually going to the Mediterranean. And I blend that out. Take some Fix Plus, just like make that more vibrant, make it pop in. You know I like my eyeshadow to be poppin'. Okay. So now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Popular, and it is a very like pretty pink, and put that in my lower lash line. I'm also going to tightline the upper waterline with this NARS Larger Than Life eyeliner in Via Veneto, which is just black. I am also going to put it on my upper lash line, just like a thin band of it. And you don't have to be perfect with it, because we are just going to be covering it up with eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. And now I'm going to take, well, first I'm going to use this brush for the lower lash line before I go and use the dark brown. So I'm going to take Bahamas. Haha, I am going to the Bahamas. There was a Bahamas. And put that in the lower lash line. I don't know, just trust me on this. Order. Take the same brush and go in with Monte Cristo and slightly blend out that pink, just so it's not too harsh, unless you want it to be really pink. I'm going to go in and blend that out. Okay. Now I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to wipe it off so there's not pink on it, but I'm going to go back in with that dark brown Palm and put that right on top of the eyeliner, the NARS eyeliner we put down. So for the brow bone, I am going to use the only shade in this palette that you could use, and that is Sales, this matte white right here. Alright, so I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to go in with this Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and we'll do a lip. So for lashes, I'm going to be using these Kiss Look So Natural lashes in Flirty. These are like kind of dramatic, but they are like natural enough that you can still see the eye look. This is so beautiful, and I want to make sure you can see that lid shade. So I'm not going to use lashes that are going to cover the entire look up. So, alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to line my lips with the Estee Edit, the BAREST lip liner in the Buff.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
And for the lip, I am going to use this NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Spike. Here is the finished look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Riviera tutorial. You know there are going to be more. If you have any requests for this specific palette, like any certain type of look or colors you would like me to use, or any certain vibe, just let me know in the comments below. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.